Like the papers I'm using? It's the Meadow Florals collection from Line Arrow. This journal was made using the packaging from a cold medicine. I covered the box with cardstock, cut out a shape, and used a printable digital design from Line Arrow. Here I'm using the packaging tape to make a little window and put in some dried flowers for a specimen effect. I am adding a fun book plate as I think it adds a great mixed media touch. I thought about adding a closure, but I didn't want to block the window, so more on that to come. Now I needed to work on the inside because I always like to make sure I look at things from all sides. This will be visible and I wanted it to be see-through as well. So I'm just tearing out a little spot here to reveal the flowers and the little window. Next, I added ink and made sure to cover the rest of the packaging with some beautiful papers. Again, this collection is from Line Arrow. Be sure to catch my other videos regarding this same journal. I did do a live working on some of the ephemera and the pages. I'd love it if we could be social media friends. Be sure to hit the like, subscribe. Thanks so much for watching and hype that video.